Welcome back to the Comfort Zone. It was a classic finish at the Henderson house, so let's head on over to Terry, who's live with homeowner Lisa.
Thank you, Bob. I'm here with Lisa Henderson. Lisa, it looked like your AC unit was really heating up.
You know, they was not looking good for us in the first half. I reached up to the vent.
We actually have a replay of that moment.
As you can see right there, that is hot air I'm feeling there, Terry. But in the end, we made the right call.
To 1 hour.
That's right, and they really came through for the team. They installed the new unit, kept their cool, and really made the team comfortable.
Lisa, I'm hearing that we have your technician, Caleb, at the Comfort Zone podium now.
Caleb, it looked like you needed to install a new unit.
That's right, and the ball was in our court, and I'm proud of my 1 hour team. They've got Freon in their veins.
Trent Prim, what does it take to win at this level?
You know, when it's 100 degrees out, you gotta give it 110%. There's things that this team does that just don't show up on the invoice, Trent. Thank you.
Big win here today for the Hendersons and 1 hour. For more live comfort updates, follow us at onehourheatandair.com. Back to you, Bob.
2, 1, and we're out.
Well, it is always a pleasure interviewing you
love
post-game.
having you guys at the games. Thank you so much.
A home court advantage.
Oh, definitely helps
Fantastic.
making us comfortable, for sure.
For sure, for sure. Well, it's always a pleasure.
Take
See
care.
you around. Yeah.
Bye-bye. Honey.
Yeah, dear?
Yeah, okay, they're gone now. Making eggs, okay? Okay.